Thank you all for being here. Today I want to talk about something that affects hundreds of millions of Americans, something that does not discriminate by region or lifestyle, and that is this but-cold winter storm that is currently threatening life and safety across our country. What we are facing in the coming days is not just another cold snap. This is an Arctic blast, fueled by a displaced polar vortex and one of the most expansive cold outbreaks we've seen this winter. A system that will push dangerously low temperatures and severe winter weather across hundreds of miles of the United States. Across the heartland from the plains to the south and all the way to the east coast, a powerful winter system will bring snow, ice, freezing rain, and bone-chilling winds. Nearly a third of the nation, potentially over 100 million people, could be grappling with wintry conditions at the same time. Temperatures will rapidly fall, and in many places they will plunge into the single digits and below zero, with dangerous wind chill values that make time outdoors risky. In the northern plains and upper Midwest, we expect some of the coldest readings, places where temperatures could fall well below zero, where wind chills drop into the negatives, and where prolonged exposure without proper protection could lead to hypothermia and frostbite in minutes. Further east, these conditions will spread, bringing trends of sub-zero cold to the Great Lakes and much of the Northeast. But this storm will not be confined to the northern states. In fact, one of the most remarkable and concerning aspects of this winter blast is how far south it will reach. Texas, including Central and South Texas, is bracing for dangerously cold temperatures. An Arctic front will sweep through this weekend, dropping temperatures from mild winter highs to hard freezes, sleet, and the threat of freezing rain and ice accumulation. The National Weather Service has already issued winter storm watches and extreme cold watches for large portions of the state. In south-central Texas, including the San Antonio and Hill Country region, life-threatening sub-zero wind chills are possible. Temperatures that are unheard of this far south could become a reality, posing hazards to people, livestock, and infrastructure. If you live there, the guidance is clear. Prepare now, stay warm, and limit outdoor exposure. Even Houston and southeast Texas, regions that rarely see significant winter weather, will see temperatures dip below freezing, with a winter storm watch in effect and dangerous cold expected to linger into early next week. Ice and freezing rain will make travel treacherous and could impact power grids and water systems. The conditions we will see are not just uncomfortable, they are life-threatening. When temperatures fall this sharply, when wind chills drop below zero, when ice covers roadways and power systems are strained, the risk is real. Hypothermia, frostbite, dangerous travel conditions, and infrastructure impacts are all possible. So what should we do? Prepare, plan, and protect. Make sure you have warm clothing and blankets. Keep emergency supplies on hand. Stay informed through local weather updates and heed warnings from public safety officials. And most importantly, check on your neighbors, particularly those who may be vulnerable. This winter storm is not something to underestimate. It is broad, it's severe, and it touches communities from the far north to the Gulf Coast. But if we prepare wisely and act responsibly, we can mitigate harm and get through this together. Stay safe, stay warm, and let's look out for one another.